That's what she said. Pero seriously ha, grabe yung experience namin dito sa King Kong Budae-jjigae. Yung famous na army stew coming straight from Korea is finally here in the Philippines. Dito lang yan sa Mega Mall and I can't wait to share with you all the delicious food that we ate. Let's go! So tinry namin yung King Kong combo set for 4 that comes with 1 main course, choice of 4K foods, tapos unlimited na yung banchan, rice, and noodles, tapos may isang coke. Super happy kami sa lahat ng K-food na napili namin, especially the crispy fried squid, kimari, and tteokbokki. As in, legit, ang sarap lahat. Sayang lang di available yung tonkatsu at that time. Medyo sweet kasi yung bulgogi nila for me, but it was really tender and still pretty good. As for our chosen main dish na mixed budae-jjigae, medyo na-overwhelm kami at first because it looked like the type of dish na parang mauumay ka sa dami ng kung ano-anong nakalagay. But oh my gosh, so good and so comforting. Hindi siya maalat or overwhelming at all. It's just filled with quality ham and sausages, tofu, and other veggies. The broth was savory, a bit spicy, and sobrang flavor bomb lang talaga altogether. And in fairness,